welcome back to my YouTube channel. As it is, this self-isolation is going to make some of us singer. See that voice last so. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chilla Beauty. And in today's video is another apart. This video is totally different from my normal upload post here. So I'm going to do a DIY on how to revamp your chair. Yeah, and I'm going to revamp it to let's wait and see now. So I'm going to show you guys the fabrics, everything I'll be using in this. Subscribe on my channel, subscribe, please subscribe, support your girl, like, share my videos now, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So this is actually a get ready with me video. Don't mind that noise, like everybody's at home, so definitely there will actually be noise. And yeah, don't forget to so it's actually a get ready with me, and I'm going to talk as I do it step by step. So if you are new on my channel, welcome to the family. Here we learn, which we educate people on how you can save your coin inside your pocket. You can actually save up, and instead of getting a new chair, you have this chair at home that have been looking wretched and you have been just looking somehow. You can revamp it. So this is what I'm going to show you guys, and this is my own isolation video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So guys, I'm using this fabrics. This is actually a fur rug, and I'm using my UHU girl. Okay, I'm using my UHU girl. Then so I'm going to go straight to the girl. I hope you're seeing it because actually it's there ready. So I'm going to try and put it where the clothes are. this part. So there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I actually end up doing 2 chairs. I wanted to do 4 of these chairs, but I was so tired, so that I end up doing the 2 chairs. But I think I love the other one than this. The other one looks finer than this other side. But anyways, let me know in the comment section what you feel about the 2 chairs, and if you want content like this, let me know in the comment section also. And hope you guys are enjoying your isolation period. So guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, share.